Can Apple TV Plus be shared? Yes, Apple TV Plus can be shared with up to 6 family members through Apple's family sharing feature. This allows multiple users to access Apple TV Plus content using their own Apple IDs without extra cost. 1. How to share Apple TV Plus using family sharing. Apple TV Plus supports family sharing, meaning one subscriber can share their Apple TV Plus subscription with others. How to set up family sharing for Apple TV Plus. Step 1. Open settings on your iPhone, iPad, or Mac. Step 2. Tap Apple ID. Then select family sharing. Step 3. Choose Set up your family and invite up to 5 family members. Step 4. Enable Apple TV Plus sharing under subscriptions. 2. Who can access shared Apple TV Plus? Up to 6 family members, including the primary subscriber. Each person must have an Apple ID and be in the same family sharing group. Family members can watch individually with separate watch histories and recommendations. 3. Can you share Apple TV Plus without family sharing? No, Apple TV Plus does not support sharing by simply giving someone your login. Apple requires family sharing to officially share the subscription. 4. Can family members watch on different devices? Yes, Apple TV Plus allows up to 6 simultaneous streams. Each family member can watch different shows at the same time. 5. Can Apple TV Plus be shared in different locations? Yes, family sharing works from anywhere, so members don't need to be in the same house. However, everyone must be in the same country or region for purchases and subscriptions. 6. Does Apple TV Plus have a watch party feature? No built-in watch party feature, but users can use FaceTime's SharePlay to watch Apple TV Plus together remotely. 7. Can you share Apple TV Plus through Apple One? Yes, Apple One includes Apple TV Plus and can also be shared through family sharing. Apple One Family Plan, $25.95 per month. Includes Apple TV Plus, Apple Music, Apple Arcade, and iCloud, plus 200 gigabytes. Apple One Premier Plan, $37.95 per month. Includes Fitness Plus and News Plus. 8. Can you share Apple TV Plus with Android or Windows users? Yes. Family sharing members can access Apple TV Plus on Android, Windows, Roku, and Fire TV by signing into tv.apple.com or the Apple TV app. 9. Can you share Apple TV Plus without giving payment access? No, family sharing requires a shared payment method, but family members cannot see each other's purchases unless purchase sharing is enabled. Conclusion: Apple TV Plus can be shared with up to 6 people through family sharing, allowing separate profiles and watch histories. The best way to share is by setting up family sharing, which enables multiple simultaneous streams across various devices.